Have you ever wondered what it truly means when someone says you are responsible for something, especially in the eyes of the law? It is a fundamental concept that touches almost every aspect of our lives, from everyday accidents to formal agreements. At its core, legal liability is the legal obligation or responsibility one party has to another. This means you are legally bound to compensate or provide a remedy for harm or injury caused to someone else, or for failing to uphold an agreement. The why behind legal liability often boils down to a duty that was owed and then breached. This duty can arise from various sources. For instance, laws enacted by government bodies create statutory duties, like the duty to drive safely. Contracts create duties where parties agree to specific terms and conditions. Perhaps most commonly, general principles of negligence in what is called tort law create a duty to act as a reasonably prudent person would to avoid harming others. When this duty is breached, and that breach directly causes damages, liability can be established. Understanding this definition helps you navigate potential risks. For example, by carefully reading and understanding contracts before you sign them, you can clearly see what obligations you are agreeing to. In everyday life, knowing that you have a duty to act responsibly helps you take precautions, like securing your property to prevent accidents, which can limit your exposure to liability. It is about being proactive rather than reactive. A key concept here is the distinction between civil liability and criminal liability. Civil liability, which is what we are primarily discussing, typically involves disputes between individuals or organizations, resulting in remedies like monetary damages. Criminal liability, on the other hand, involves offenses against the state or society as a whole and can lead to penalties such as fines or imprisonment. Another insider tip is that liability can sometimes be strict, meaning you can be held responsible even if you did not intend to cause harm, or even if you were not negligent. Think about manufacturers of certain defective products. Grasping the definition of legal liability empowers you to make informed decisions. It helps you understand your rights and responsibilities in various situations, whether it is protecting your assets, understanding insurance policies, or simply interacting safely in your community. By knowing what liability means, you gain a clearer picture of how your actions, or inactions, can have significant legal consequences, allowing you to better safeguard yourself and those around you.